Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Doing a quick review for this vanity that I just put together, and my initial reaction after assembling it is that this vanity is awesome, right? So let's jump into the different features that we have here. So on each side, it has these three drawers that slide out relatively easy, right? So I'm going to put my hand in it so you can kind of get an idea of how big the drawer is, and they're actually pretty decently sized, right? But just remember, you have 6 of them in total, so you got 3 on this side and then 3 on this side as well. Then of course you have this larger, wider drawer right here that's in the middle, where you can put maybe some flatter items, things of those natures inside here. So again, very, very spacious, right? So you have 7 drawers all together, right? And on the front of it has these nice gold-plated handles, which brings some glam, I guess, to the entire piece. So really, really nice touch, really, really nice add to it. Here you have your leather top seat. Looks really, really nice, right? Nice and comfortable for you to sit on and get prepared for your day. On the bottom of the vanity are these levelers right here, right? So for example, if you happen to be on grounds that aren't level, that aren't even, then you can just find the part of the vanity that isn't touching the ground, and you would just twist it till it touches the ground, and that way it's going to be even all together. Here you have the tabletop for you to get ready in the morning, and then of course you have these really, really nice light bulbs here, which actually come in a few different colors, right? So if you come down here, I'm going to show you the switch. So this is the switch right here, right? So if you press it, you're going to see that the color of the light bulb is going to change. So if you go like this, so that's off. This is more of like an orangish type of shade to it, right? Press it again, and you'll see that this is more of like a bluish sort of tint to it, right? So it's got some different functions here, different dynamics to the colors. And then the last one is more of like a white type of color to it, right? So, whatever fits your mood for the day or whatever you just like in general, you can definitely go ahead and go with that. So now let's talk about the assembly process. The assembly took me about maybe 3.5 hours, but I would not let the assembly process deter you from taking a look at this vanity, because it is really, really nice. So a big chunk of the time you're going to be actually building out the drawers, because there are 7 of them, right? So my suggestion is that you start to build the drawers first, right? And once the drawers are built, then mentally in your head, I think it's good, because you're checking off boxes and it's like, wow, part of the assembly or a good chunk of the assembly is done, which is actually the drawers. Now, if we take a look at the instruction manual, which will help keep you on track and not confused. So you can see here in step 2, all you're dealing with is part 5 right here, right? And then these cam bolts, right, and so on and so forth. So you can see that they don't have a ton of stuff going on in each different step. I did use a drill to kind of expedite the process, but if you don't have a drill and you're not comfortable using a drill, you can get by without it. But like I said, I would not let the assembly process deter you from taking a look at this, because it is really, really nice once it's all set up. So again, here's another look at this vanity that I just put together. Really, really nice. It's got the gold-plated handles here. Got a ton of storage space, right? Nice tabletop. All in all, the assembly process isn't too bad. It's a ton of storage space, nice color, different colors for the light bulbs. I highly recommend this vanity. Go ahead and check it out, and I'll see you on the next review.